Hello, my dear kids. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to learn subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? Now, let's get started. Before we begin, I want to tell you just watch the video till end, then and then you will understand it better. Now, let's see what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or a quantity. The answer in subtraction is called the difference. मीन्स किसी भी नंबर से अगर हम कुछ निकाल रहे हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन, और सब्ट्रैक्शन का जो आंसर होता है उसे हम डिफरेंस बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. देयर आर 920 पीपल इन फेयर. 436 of them are females. How many males are there in fair? Now we need to find the number of males in fair. Now how we will going to find? We will subtract the number of females from total number of people. Now total number of people in fair are 920 and number of females are 436. Now we will do this subtraction and answer is 484. Now let's see how it is. Now see here how that 11 came. I will tell you. Now see, 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we are taking borrow from this 2. So 2 will give 1 tens to that 0 and it will become 1. So that 0 will become 10 and 2 will become 1. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4, and now 1 minus 3 is not possible, so that 1 will take borrow from the 9. So that 9 will become 8 and this 1 will become 11. So now 11 minus 3 equal to 8 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So our answer is 484. Thus there are 484 males in the fair. Now there are some important points you need to remember. We always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Means हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर subtract करते हैं. See here, 56 is greater than 20. So we can write 56 minus 20. But we can't write like this, 20 minus 56. See the second point, change of order is not possible in subtraction. मीन्स हम पहले नंबर को दूसरी जगह और दूसरे नंबर को पहली जगह नहीं लिख सकते जैसे हम एडिशन में करते. नाउ सी हियर, इफ वी हैव अ एग्जांपल 56 प्लस 20. Okay, so we can write this example like this also, 20 plus 56. There is no difference in answer. Answer will remain same, but it is not possible in subtraction because 20 is smaller number. Okay, so change of order is not possible in subtraction. Now see the third point. The difference is always smaller than the bigger of the two numbers except when the number which is to be subtracted is 0. मीन्स जो डिफरेंस होता है, जो सब्ट्रैक्शन का आंसर होता है, वो हमेशा जो बिगर नंबर रहता है उससे छोटा रहता है. ओके, इसमें एक ही कंडीशन एक्सेप्शन है, व्हेन द नंबर विच इज़ टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड इज 0. अगर एक नंबर अगर 0 उसमें से जो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं वो नंबर अगर 0 है तो ऐसा कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती. नाउ सी द एग्जांपल, 56 minus 20 equal to 36 and 36 is smaller than the 56. That means it satisfies the condition. Now see here, 56 minus 0 equal to 56. That means जो bigger number है वही number same हमें मिल रहा है, वही आंसर आ रहा है हमारा अगर हम 0 subtract कर रहे हैं. Now you have already learned the subtraction of 3-digit number. Now let's revise it. Now see this example. First what we are doing, first we are subtracting ones and then we are subtracting tens. 8 minus 5 equal to 3 and then we are subtracting tens. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Our answer is, that means our difference is 43. Now see here, 8 minus 6 equal to 2 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Our answer is 32. Now see, in third, 8 minus 9 is not possible, so 8 will ask to the 8 which is standing at tens place for the borrow. That 8 will give 1 tens to the 8 which is standing at ones place. So that 8 will become 18 and 18 minus 9 equal to 9 and 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So our difference is 39. Let's see the fourth one. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So 2 will take 1/10 from the 5 and it will become 12. And 12 minus 4 equal to 8 and 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So our answer is 28. Now see here, 2 minus 7 is not possible. So we are taking borrow from the tens place, that is from 9. So 9 will become 8 and 2 will become 12 because it is taking 1/10. Okay. So 12 minus 7 equal to 5 and 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So our answer is 35. Now let's see the sixth one. It is very much easy. 6 minus 4 equal to 2, 3 minus 3 equal to 0 and 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Our answer is 202. Now these two examples are very much easy. You will going to solve it. Now let's see the properties of subtraction. It is from book, so it is just like a notes. If you want to make notes, you can write it down in your notebook. Let's see the first property. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Means हम जब 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं किसी भी नंबर से तो हमें वही नंबर मिलता है. सी द एग्जाम्पल 37 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 37. 193 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 193 मीन्स हमें वही नंबर मिल रहा है क्योंकि हम 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 0 मीन्स नथिंग. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन. व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम अ नंबर द डिफरेंस इज द प्रीडेसेसर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रीडेसेसर? Predecessor means the number which is present just before the number. I had made separate video on it. You just go to the channel if you don't know and see that video. See the example. 167 minus 1 equal to 166 and 235 minus 1 equal to 234. Now see the third one. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Means अगर हम दो सेम नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमें डिफरेंस 0 ही मिलेगा. सी द एग्जाम्पल 123 माइनस 123 इक्वल टू 0. 419 माइनस 419 इक्वल टू 0. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's see some examples of borrowing. Now see 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So that 2 will ask for the borrow to the 700. So 7 will give its 10 tens to the 2 tens. Now 2 will become 12 tens. Okay. Now from 12 tens we will subtract 4 tens. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. And now see 6 is there and 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So our difference is 480. Always remember the answer of subtraction we are calling it difference. जैसे addition का जो आंसर होता है उसे हम sum बोलते हैं. Now let's see the next one. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So 3 ones will ask for the borrow to the 4 tens. 4 tens will give its 1 tens to the 3 ones. So 3 ones become 13 ones. Okay. Now 13 minus 4 equal to what? 13 minus 4 equal to 9. And 3 minus 9 is not possible. Now this 3 tens will ask to the borrow to the 600. 6 will give its 10 tens, that is 100, to the 3 tens. Now 3 will become 13 tens. Okay. Now 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 equal to 4. And 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Our difference is 349. Now these two examples you will going to solve. Again I am requesting you, don't leave the video in between, because if you are leaving it in between you will not understand it better. Now let's see some examples of properties of subtraction. Now see the first one. 132 minus 0 equal to what? Whenever we are subtracting 0, that number remains same. That means our difference is that number itself, that is 132. Now see the second one, 125 minus 1. Whenever we are subtracting 1, the difference we are getting, the difference is the predecessor of that number. Now see here, we are subtracting from 1's place. 5 minus 1 equal to 4 and other digits will remain same. That is 1 and 2 we will write as it is. See the third one. Here we are subtracting same numbers. And whenever we are subtracting same number, that time our difference is 0. Now fourth one you will going to solve. Now see this fifth one. 597 माइनस वॉट इक्वल टू 597. हम जब किसी भी नंबर से ज़ीरो सब्ट्रैक्ट करते तब हमें वही नंबर मिलता है. ओके, सो आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू एंड दिस अदर एग्जाम्पल यू विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व. And thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for latest video and press the bell icon so you will get the latest video updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment.